Hey, nice to meet you. Who are you?
Normal boat.
Hey, what about my boat? Is there something wrong with it? Look, man, you can either fish with me, or you can do your own thing.
No!
What kind of things are you into?
Monkey!